This is a olive branch, which is what they use for Palm Sunday.
Vicino all'albero dell'ulivo, si chiama Oiet.
Okay, this is by the olive tree. This is called, the branch is called Oiet. What you throw away, okay?
Oiet. E poi si fanno le foglie.
She's going to make the leaves.
A due alla lavo.
Right, you need to snip the leaves 2 at a time. They need to be together, 2 at a time. See, you want to keep the leaves attached like this. The empty branch, you take the piece that's double. Pina, maybe come closer, and you see, she just adds it right on. Anna, fai vedere? Like this. See, just entwine it. One on the bottom, one on top, and you roll it right over. See that? Incredible. See? Like that, it blocks itself too. And while you do that, you eat. You eat, you enjoy. We're waiting for espresso. Yeah. Yeah.
E adesso la incurvi, incurvala.
It's almost complete, but wait, you'll see. And as we're doing this, that's the beautiful thing that touches my heart. As we're doing this, we're talking, we're remembering my father, my mom, the family, the ancestors. This is why when people ask me about Italy, I feel a connection to my roots. Anna, stupendo. She's going to make a crown now, flatten it out, and it's going to look like this. See? And she's going to tie the base.
E si mette sotto peso.
Yeah, you lay it flat with something heavy, so the leaves lay flat. You go bless it for Palm Sunday.
Ok.
Anna, poi dove si mette questo? Dove si usa?
Diciamo la tradizione proprio dei nonni, dei vecchi, si faceva e si mette dietro dopo la benedizione, si portava a casa e si metteva dietro alla porta per buon augurio.
Buon augurio. So she said it was placed behind the front door, so it was just good luck for the family. It was a way to keep the presence of peace in the house. Bellissimo, Anna, grazie. Buone palme a te, buone palme a tutti, and just wanted to share this tradition with you. Grazie.